guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we're going to be making something fun that is so easy to make for Easter. We're going to be making PEEP s'mores. You will need Honey Maid graham crackers, 2 bags Nestle Toll House semi-sweet morsels, and you're going to need 3 packages of the Peeps. You're going to need 6 bunnies across if you're using an 8x8 Pyrex dish like we did. My daughter found this recipe on Pinterest and she said it's not anything new. It's been around for years, but this is our first time to make it and we just loved it. So first you're going to take some spray and spray your dish with a cooking spray. And I am using an 8x8 Pyrex dish, and then we added the Nestle Toll House semi-sweet morsels. We added 1 full bag and then a piece of a second bag. And then now my daughter is layering the Peeps. So you can do a cute pattern however you would like, but she did 6 Peeps across. So we bought 3 packages at Walmart. This is so easy to make and it tastes so good. So it's a fun dish for the little ones and it's so quick to make. So if you're needing something quick and easy for Easter, this is a perfect dessert. You will want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now it doesn't take that long for them to get ready, so 7 to 10 minutes is about what it took on ours, so just check them pretty often. So this is how it looks when your Peeps s'mores are ready to eat, and they are so yummy. And so we served ours with some graham crackers and some milk. We think that the Peeps s'mores are best served warm. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you make this dish, let me know how everyone likes it, and I hope you have a wonderful Easter.